The project was to install a bypass valve for winterizing my RV. I have a 1997 Pleasureway, and where the water pump was, and the existing water filter, which was at the end of the pump, there was no room or no space to put any other fittings. So what I ended up doing is I brought a flex hose from the pump out to the front that I can then install the bypass valve. So what I end up with is the tube coming from your holding tank to the filter, to the bypass valve, to the flex hose that then attaches to the pump. And that's how I got around the minimum space that was there in my 97 Pleasureway. Hope that's helpful.